What probate is? Probate is the legal process the court uses to settle a person's estate after they pass away. During probate, the court confirms who has the authority to manage the estate. This person is usually called the executor if there is a will, or an administrator if there is no will. Once that person is officially appointed by the court, they are responsible for handling things like notifying heirs, paying any debts of the estate, managing assets, and sometimes selling like a home. Until the court gives that authority, it can be difficult to move forward with selling the house. What happens to the house? When a home is part of an estate, there are usually a few possibilities. One option is that a family member decides to keep the property. Another option is that the heirs agree to sell the home and divide the proceeds. And sometimes the home needs to be sold in order to pay debts of the estate. Before the house can be sold, the executor or administrator typically needs documents from the court that gives them the legal authority to handle the property. Once that happens, the home can usually be prepared and listed for sale just like any other property. Although some probate sales may require court approval depending on the situation. Common challenges families face. One of the biggest challenges families face during probate is simply not knowing where to start. Some of the common issues include multiple heirs involved in decisions, missing documents, disagreements about what to do with the property, or uncertainty about the home's value. Another challenge is that the property may need some preparation before it can be sold. Sometimes the home has been lived in for many years and may need cleaning, repairs, or simply organizing personal belongings. This is where having the right guidance can make a big difference. How to make the process smoother. A few things can help the probate process easier when a home is involved. First, work with a probate attorney who can guide the legal side of the process. Second, make sure important documents like the deed, the mortgage information, and the insurance details are organized early. And third, if the home will be sold, working with a real estate professional who understands probate sales can help prevent delays and keep things moving smoothly. Closing. Probate situations can feel overwhelming, especially while families are already dealing with a difficult time. But with the right information and guidance, the process can be much more manageable. If you have questions about selling a probate or navigating the process when a home is involved, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more real estate guidance.